Let's create a scrollable bar. For this, we first need to write down the options that we want. So here I am writing a list of options and then press Shift A for adding auto layout. Now we need to add a container for the option list. So let's make a frame and then put the list inside the frame. Place it nicely and let's make it shorter like this. Now we'll make the scroll bar. For this, let us make a rectangle and place it within the frame. Change the color to something lighter gray, and then we need to make another one which we will be dragging. So for that, make another rectangle and then we will make the height of that drag element to be half of the height of the container. So it becomes half, and now we will change its corner radius, add a fill, adjust it, and then make another copy of it. This time we will push the content upwards. You can either use the arrow keys in your keyboard or you can drag manually. So now you have the options, and also do not forget to drag the scroll bar towards the bottom. Now make a component set. We will prototype it. Select the scroller and add a prototype. On drag, smart animate, and then same for this one. On drag, smart animate, and you are done. Now you will have a scrollable option list. Thanks for watching.